Here with me is a newly launched Oraimo Spacepods, a wireless earbuds Oraimo made in collaboration with the giant of Afro beats, Burna Boy. These earbuds are currently sold in Nigeria for 43,000 naira, but you will get a 5% discount if you use my coupon code on the screen right now. The code can also be used to buy any item from the Oraimo website. Like it states on the pack, tuned for Afro beats by Burna Boy, let's quickly get to the unboxing and the review of this beauty to see if it delivers as promised. Once unboxed, you will first behold the earbuds, and beneath it is where the other accessories are. We have the USB-C charging cable for charging the earbuds kits. We also have 2 pairs of extra ear tips. Then inside this pack, we have the handwritten note card by Burna Boy, which I love, and then the user manual. My first impression of this device is the unique design of the case. While we have seen this lunar design with their predecessor FreePods 4, the Spacepods, however, came with a twist. I absolutely love the chocolate brown color it came in and the rough textured matte finish of the case. By the side of the case is where the USB-C port for charging the case is located. Opening the case of the Spacepods is the easiest and the smoothest of earbuds case I have come across. Just slide the top part to open and slide back to close the case. There is also an LED indicator light that comes up by the side here once the case is opened or closed. Beneath the top part of the case when opened is where the necessary certifications are. While opening the case is smooth, bringing the pods from each case isn't as smooth, but it's something that would take like a second for you to figure out the best approach to take them out. Once the pods are taken out of the case, you will notice Burna Boy written inside the case, Burna on the left side and Boy on the right side. There is also Oraimo written on the side of the earbuds. You will also notice the smooth circle part, which is where the touch sensor is located. This makes it easier to know the exact spot to touch, unlike some other earbuds without any mark. Connecting these earbuds to my iPhone was easy. Once the earbuds are on and the case is open, the green light starts blinking rapidly, which indicates that the device is in pairing mode. On your phone's Bluetooth section, you should see the Oraimo Spacepods under available devices. Just tap to connect. Instead of the generic prompt voice commands which we usually hear from other earbuds like this, the Spacepods give you the unique Burna Boy voice guide, which is pretty cool. There is also Oraimo Sound app which you can download from the App Store or the Play Store. This app helps you to control the sound modes, modify the sound, and also shows you the exact battery level of the earbuds and the case. The Spacepods have active noise cancellation, and you can switch between this mode to the transparency mode by just pressing and holding down the left board till you hear 2 beeps and you will hear the unique Burna's voice tell you the mode you are in. On the app, you get to see and switch between the noise cancellation mode to the other modes of the device. It's also worthy to note that while the noise cancellation do work as it blocks out noise to a certain level, it doesn't block the entire noise around you. With 2 pairs of extra ear tips in the box, I will advise you choose the pair of the ear tips that fit your ear perfectly to help further block the noise. The earbuds give you a decent sound quality considering the price. The bass is decent too, which can be switched up a bit through the equalizer on the app. This earbuds also has a mic which sounds decent too. To fully charge the case takes about 2 hours, and according to Oraimo, the earbuds can last for about 7 hours with ANC on and about 7.5 hours with ANC off. The case gives you an additional 27 hours of listening time. The earbud is IPX5 rated, which means that it's only protected from sweat and a little bit of water on it, but it's not protected from dust. Considering how the case is slide open and closed, this case isn't expected to be exposed to dirt as tiny particles can obstruct the smooth movement of opening and closing the case. The Oraimo Spacepods are a good listening device that offers a pretty decent sound quality, but I personally think the price could have been lesser than what is being sold in the market presently. If you are currently using the FreePods 4 and you are wondering if you should upgrade to the Spacepods, well, I don't think you should, because the Spacepods is just the FreePods 4 in brown color and a textured case with a Burna Boy's tone. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.